You can download a copy of this file from my website at XlsDesign. I'm only going to show you the basics of the form as it's quite easy to use. So I'm going to click Show Form. The point of the form is we have a menu item, and for each menu item that we have here, it allows us to type some notes associated with it, and then at a later stage we can use this search menu and we can find the item we're looking for. So once I enter the character A, it will list everything starting with A. Let's delete that. Okay, the three boxes, the notes, the menu and the search menu all have a right click menu attached to them, and we have our standard cut, copy and paste. We can also change the font size. Now the right click for the menu is slightly different to the notes and this search menu in the fact that it allows us to create a new item, delete an item, or rename one. So let's create a new item. Let's type test and we'll go OK, and it tells us we're successful. And now we can type some notes in here. The only other thing with the program is we have some options, and this is all to do with message boxes. So if we type something in the notes and then we leave the notes box without saving our changes, then we get a message box, and it allows us to either save our changes or undo what we've just typed in. And that's pretty much it from the form. Like I say, pop along to my website, XlsDesign, and you can download it.